How to fix Discord game activity. Today guys I have the solution. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will go and open Discord. When you open Discord, go directly to storage, and on storage go and click on clear that. Click OK, go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like in and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.